Dear students, today's online class topic for Sem 4 is cloze test. A cloze test contains a passage with some blanks. In multiple choice cloze test, 4 options are given for one blank below the passage. A, B, C, D. 4 options are given after the passage. So student has to pick up the appropriate word to fill in the blank. This cloze test is also called deletion test because some keywords are deleted. So reader has to supply those key elements. This cloze test is asked in competitive examinations like IBPS, RRB, SSC, LIC. This test assesses the students' grammar and vocabulary. Those students who have sound knowledge of grammar and vocabulary can do well in this test. Let us see next slide, tips to solve the cloze test. First tip, read the passage at one go, at a stretch, at first to get the complete idea. Read the passage thoroughly and slowly. Don't stop at each blank and try to answer the blank. Try to choose the word because in a passage all the sentences are linked. Don't read the sentences separately. After reading the passage, whole passage, you will get an idea. So let us see next tip. Read all the options till you get the right word. After reading the passage, read all the options. Read 4 options A, B, C, D till you get the right word. Then third tip is the student should notice the tone of the passage and select the word accordingly. Tone may be narrative, descriptive, or humorous or analytical. So the student has to select the word accordingly. So next thing is context. After reading the whole passage, it is very clear that the passage, what is it about? It may be related to finance, technology, science, or environment, or pollution, or something. So when you know the passage is what is it about, it's very easy to answer. So next, choose the correct contextual meaning. Now a word has multiple meanings, hence it is very important to understand the contextual usage of the word. Use elimination method. This is very important method. After reading the passage thoroughly and slowly, after reading the whole passage, you use this method. Eliminate those words which are not related to the passage. Read the whole passage after choosing the answers. Read the passage again after selecting the answers to check whether it makes sense or not. Constant practice will help you to answer quickly. Practice. Next slide, cloze test model. I will read out the passage and explain the answers. One of the major causes of the failure of developing countries on economic front is their dash to evolve a judicious mixture of dash substitution and export promotion. Zambia, which dash and imports after its independence 20 years ago, has depleted 50% of its national capital, whereas South Korea, which started its dash development from a war ravaged status in the 50s by equalizing high exports with high imports, is one of the dash nations today. After reading the whole passage, it is very clear that the passage is about economy. So keep this thing in your mind and answer. So the first option, first blank options are inability, disadvantage, incapacity, handicap. B, C, D are not at all related. The correct right word for the first blank is inability. Second options are scientific, invention, export, import. I have already told that use elimination method. So this is about passage is about economy. So scientific invention, those things are not at all, those words are not at all related. And the two things left, export, import. So export is already given in your passage. So right word is D, import. So import substitution is it's a government trade policy. It restricts imports. Third options, expected, traded, banked, carried. So correct right word is banked. So when you read a passage, try to focus the words which are before the blank and after the blank, former and later of the blank. Here banked on is bank on, it's a phrasal verb. It means depend on or rely on. This shoots very well. So fourth question, financial, fiscal, economic, economical. So already we know that this is about economy. The answer is C, economic. D answer is not correct. Economical means saving money. So that doesn't shoot. Let us see fifth blank. Richest, innovative, prolific, advancing. So already I have told you that notice the words before the blank also and after the blank also. Here is one of the it's in superlative. So here superlative is richest. So correct answer is richest. So this is the trick. These are the tricks to follow while answering close test. So one of the richest, it's in superlative. So other B, C, D are not superlative degree. So those do not shoot the blank. So let us see next slide. Another passage. This is from your previous Chathavan University examination question paper. I'll read it aloud. I have a dream dash a historic speech made dash 1963 dash Martin Luther King, a black civil rights activist. His dream was dash fight out racial discrimination and to make America a country where all are treated dash equals. So options for blank 1. First answer is second answer is in 1963. We use in before years. Third answer is by Martin Luther King. Fourth answer is to. Fifth answer is as. So this passage is very simple. Let us go for another slide. Fill in the blanks by choosing the most appropriate. This passage is taken from your textbook. I'll read it aloud and I'll explain the answers. Mr. J was a graduate student and searching dash a job. He was from a poor family and wanted to get a highly paid job. He got a call letter from a reputed company. While he was going to dash the interview, he saw an accident dash of the city. There was nobody except a two-wheeler and the lady who was driving the car was severely injured. He had only 25 minutes to reach the interview venue. He was in a dash. He couldn't decide on whether he must take the dash lady to a hospital or attend the interview. If you are in this position, what would you do? So after reading the whole passage thoroughly, it is very clear that it is about Mr. J who is going to attend an interview. He saw an accident. So now we can answer very easily after going through the options. Let us see options for first blank 1. Answer is searching for a job. This is right word. So second option, while he was going to attend the interview, he saw an accident. Third blank options are on the outskirts. This shoots very well. There was nobody except a two-wheeler and the lady who was driving the car was severely injured. He had only 25 minutes to reach the interview venue. He was in a dash dilemma. Fifth answer is injured. So don't treat the sentences separately, because all the sentences are linked to one another. So read the passage from beginning to end, then try to answer, try to pick up appropriate word from the options. Thank you for watching this video.